Hi guys, it's another day in the month of September, and honestly, I have not vlogged so much in this month, and that is because there is this silence reclining or declining happening in Nigeria, and it seems like we are all just moving along like everything is okay. Nothing is okay in this country. Absolutely nothing is okay in this country, and me, I'm not going to lie, it's affecting me mentally. Because I just imagine if people that are still kind of okay are struggling or are barely surviving, what are people that don't even have anything? People that I don't honestly, I don't know. It's just getting worse day after day. It's getting worse day after day, literally. I want to take a walk and just clear my head, and maybe I need to get some things from the mall. So that's it. How are you guys doing? Like, really, how are you guys doing? I mean, guys living in Nigeria, how are we surviving? How are we coping? How are we all pretending everything is okay? Buying for 1,000, and some people are even selling for over 1,000. And the fact is, once the price of fuel goes up, every other thing, like every other thing will go up. Thank God we don't pay for oxygen, because how many people will be able to survive? Thank God. And honestly, I just pray God helps us. That's the only thing. That is the only thing. Like, only God can save this country. That's all going to die. You don't problem.
Gbogbo
I want to.
ìyá yóò dàbí.
Ó dàbọ̀ òun náà tuntun bàjẹ́ nínú.
Change tires. Kí wọ́n kọ́ sí ọjọ́ ìkànsẹ́.
I want to buy MP. Enter here. Ayana. Why you? Okay, da. Whenever you do mistake, you go learn.
Need to quickly step out, and this is what I am wearing. It's a two-piece. It's a palazzo pants and this long jacket with a rope here. And I just style my hair up and just this on the side for. Where am I concealing?
Yeah, yeah.
So will another one grow from here?
Of course.
Are you serious?
Yes. So these are the flowers. So it's going to fruit from the flowers. Start fruiting and then brings out.
So it will still bring another.
Yeah,
bottle.
till like December.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's another one.
Just go forward. I think. Check this way.
So I think the yellow pepper of 15 times.
No, some of them they'll turn.
No.
They'll turn
This particular place was
yellow
I
pepper.
remember. No.
Is this one?
Yes. I think you can remove. It looks small though. There are bigger ones. Let's go forward.
I was supposed to.
Oh,
Mm,
these
yeah.
ones are so big.
These are the ones people planted.
Wow.
But it's just that we didn't number the names. It was this line.
Wow. Oh, it's so plenty.
Have you seen it's turning yellow?
It's the remaining one.
That one is over.
Yeah.
Is the remaining one here?
Yes. Are you supposed to harvest everything?
Yes, everything is going out. I just left some so that.
But the remaining ones are this one.
No, those ones are small.
Am I
There's a
very-
big one there. There's a big one in front.
See this one. Are you continuing?
Yes.
Big one.
Come this way. Take this one.
This one has changed its color.
Yes. It wants to turn to red.
It's so big.
Yeah.
That one is UK variant. Stop.
That's green chili.
Okay.
So in the next 2 weeks, you're looking at another harvest.
Yeah.
And you
So
know
you
the funniest
can-
stuff.
When next year harvesting, I beg, invite me.
You know the funniest stuff. This is how you
Just for-
harvest
for
every
this.
2 weeks for the next 1
To the
year.
end of the year.
The
For 1
next
year?
Yeah.
Josie
As
said
long
that
as you're
this
taking
one
care
like
of
this
them.
will grow.
Yes. They'll come out. See the fruits, the flowers now.
Look at this one.
Yes. Can you tap and snap the screen of your phone while you're videoing? Tomatoes. This one's tomatoes. Then the other one are bell peppers.
Those ones at the back.
Yeah.
You can go and carry it.
Oh, no.
We're done and we're going back to Abuja, and this is my goodie bag. We'll unbox it when I get back home. It was so much fun. In fact, I have asked for another invite for the next harvest day. I enjoyed doing that. So let's go back to Abuja. But I want to use that borrow. Guys, I got back home yesterday. I was very tired, and this is what I got from Nature Chamana, and we are going to unbox it together. First, this is roasted catfish. Then there's sweet corn. I'm going to cook this today and let you guys know what I think. Then a few of their green peppers. You guys saw me harvesting. So green pepper and chili pepper. So this green pepper. So they actually have like two different variants on their farm. So this is chili pepper, green chili pepper. Then I was also given some parsley. So I use this for some pasta during the week. So this is all I got from them. Of course, I'm going to buy more from them. Or these are just like tasters. And what do you guys think?